Today we are going to talk about the next graphics programs that in QBASIC, and in this program we will be discussing that how to fill the inner part of cycle as well as the border color. How? Let's see an example to be more clear. Here is an interpreter. First, setting the graphics. And drawing the circle. Giving radius. Now using the paint command. First the inner color. Then outer color, that is border color. And here is the output. We can see this is a circle and its inner part it is shaded with uh, color, and that is given by the paint. That is for base this color. Similarly, when we look at this the border part, and that is white, and white is just 15. Not very simple, it's very simple, and very simple way we can use this. Sometimes if the colors they are not matching, then we can get different color and the circle it becomes invisible. Like, let's change this one, not for it. Here is the next color here. Yes, similarly if we change the color here like 7, so color that circle disappeared because the color of mismatched color. So we have to be careful while adding the codes. It will be better if we use the color with this paint command, not with the circle. I hope you also saw this one. Thank you, and just hit the subscribe button and support me. Okay, thank you.